It's monster project time again. I'm either doing a fix, a modification, or just plain maintenance. But if you're wondering why I'm doing it myself instead of getting a dealer, click on the card. It'll take you to a video or explain why I'm doing it myself. I don't have a choice. I'll also have the a link in the description as well, so you can check it out and find out what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. So now my goal is to find out if I can get the scooter's lights to work. I won't go on there, I forgot. So I gotta change these plugs because I have a feeling this is where the... Yeah. It's corroded so bad. Wow. Okay, so... red wire, blue wire. Not a whole lot of room here. Wow. Yeah, it's corroded, like, pretty seriously. Alright. Look at the I don't know if you can see that. The corrosion that's in there. It looks like you can see it. How blue that is. Wow. So we got red wire goes to red wire, blue wire goes to black wire. So that's easy enough to remember. Get that off there. Take these out. Okay, so I don't need these. That's supposed to be a weather cover, but it doesn't really do much. They didn't really cover it very well. Oh, I gotta bring my mat back over here. Okay, move the camera a bit. Make sure it's still pointed where I want it to be pointed. Right there, okay. Down on my knees. Oh. Okay, this is not going to be super easy to get at. Simply because these battery wires are in the way. Get out of the way for now. Come on. See if I can get some more of that off there. Just want to cut the corroded parts right off. Start with some fresh wire. Oh. Even the insulation on this is bad. I've already prepared my extensions. I guess I didn't really need that much. Half of that off. One. I can take a little more off of that. Just give me a little more working room. What do I do with my solder? There it is. Okay. Now, halfway there. I need to sit. Hopefully I can. Oh. Still do this. If I can find the wire. Oh yeah, I can do this part sitting down, no problem. This end of the wire looks a lot better. Oh, I can't do this. I can't see what I'm doing. Oh, I am in such sad shape here. Okay. Where is... There it is. Yeah, I'd say the red and the black are both the same size. I just compared the two. They both look the same. I'll use the red first because I'd rather use black in the outside areas where they can be seen. At least I'm getting better at putting these on before I start not forgetting. Okay, so that is the red one. Red goes to red. Nice and simple. Come on. I might need more. Back up there. I want you sticking way out. Alright, booger. Stay there. One side done. Now I gotta do the other side. And I'm almost out of time, but I'll make this video just a little bit longer. so I can get this completed. I'm gonna cut a zip tie here. Two zip ties. There we go. Yep, I know. Okay. Same thing on this side. Red and blue. And same on this one. Okay, so red goes to red on this side as well. Another zippity-doo-dah. There we go. Okay. I'll try to do this as quick as I can here, so this video doesn't get like really long. Oop. Not do anything, barely. Yeah, man. There, got it that time. Well, considering what I found at the front, when I did the front wiring, oh, they had, I don't remember the actual colors, but it was like red and black on one side of the plug, and on the other side of the plug it reversed. It was like red and yellow, or the red went to the yellow and the yellow went to the red. It was just really stupid. Or the yellow went to the black. There's no consistency. On this one it's red and blue and red and black, but at least the red goes to the red on these. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna cut some of this off. Just a little bit. Try to do this as quick as I can. Hey, I didn't say you could pray. So this video might be a little bit longer than the others, but it's okay. I want to complete this. Just want to complete this without starting another video, because I'm almost done. I don't have a whole lot to do here. One. If this doesn't fix the problem, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I really don't want to have to rewire these lights and put them on a switch, separate switch. I really don't want to have to do that. So I'm hoping this solves the problem. If this doesn't solve the problem, then chances are it's the controller. And I don't really feel like changing the controller right now. Because it's not exactly an easy job. These little tiny nuts on the back of them that I can barely get to. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna... Oh, crap. I hope I can get the heat shrink tubing over that. No, it's catching on it. Dang rabbit. So I'm gonna I'll have to squish that down somehow. There we go. That worked. I'll do this one first then. Okay, there's that one. Cooled off enough. Up we go. No. Okay. Almost done. One more connection to go. Now there's crap in my way. Okay, that's the blue one, so that goes to black. Oh. The heat shrink tubing on it first. What do we got? That's blue. Okay, so blue goes to black. Black and blue. Come on, stay together for me. Yes, stay together for me. Oh, come on. Cover in the way. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here or not. At this point I'm starting to get frustrated. Stay. Stay, stay. Alas, just stay. Should be good. Should be good, be good, be should. One more. No, you're good. And it is down here. Again, just stay. Last one. moment, I can turn my soldering iron off. Give that a second to cool. Yeah, crap, too far. Okay. Give that some fire. Okay. I'm ready for testing. Works better if the battery's plugged in. And I don't have lights. So I didn't solve the problem. So, I wonder if it's the controller. My taillight's on. Apparently I got paint on it. I didn't even notice that. So I still don't have lights. Do I want to rewire, or do I want to change the controller? And if you've watched me do this before, it's not an easy job to change this. I think a screw here, and I screwed that back corner, and I got to get this tiny little wrench underneath. This side's not too bad, but at the back there, it's really difficult to get that wrench under there to change that. I'm not sure if I want to do that, because if that's not the reason my lights aren't working, then I'm doing it for nothing. I'm just wondering if the light itself... because it's not sealed, obviously. I'm just wondering if the light itself is corroded too, where the wires go into them. And that's what's causing the issues. I don't know. I just want them to work. I need them to work. But I can't even check that unless I take the batteries out, which I'm not going to do today. Oh, come on. What is the issue here?